Today we're reviewing the TONOR USB microphone. Here we have the USB port on the bottom of the microphone. So here I'm going to quickly go through the installation of the stand. And so you want to make sure it's tight so it doesn't fall. Here I'm installing the microphone, and you're going to want to make sure it's snug. And this part you need to tighten it tight and the angle you prefer. Lastly, in the installation process, you're going to want to install the pop filter. And so you want to make sure you have it in the right area and that it's the front of the microphone. And finally, you're just going to want to install the foam mic cover. So the volume control is easy as pressing the plus, and then of course minus for reducing the audio. So the stand is easily adjustable. So here's my son's setup, and next we're just going to do the audio test on the microphone. Okay, this is the USB microphone. I'm about an inch away from the microphone. I have the filter about 2 feet away from the microphone. I'm talking in regular voice. To the right side of it, left side, a little bit higher than the actual bottom part, and lower than the bottom part. And so hopefully you can hear the audio, and then also if I say please, so you can see if it pops. And pretty much that's the testing of the audio. Finally, this is everything the package includes. I hope this video helps you in your buying decision process.